I don't know how to pack light. Even if I'm going for like a 2 or 3 day trip, this is how much I'm carrying. And even though it's a small bag, it's freaking heavy. I want to take the 12:50 train and it's about 12:10 right now. So I've got to hurry up. So I'll meet you there. This is my favorite seat because I can always like lean on here. Yeah, I'm going to Tongyang. I guess I haven't told you guys where I'm going. Tongyang is the south of South Korea. It's near the ocean and it's a land that has a lot of big islands nearby. The islands are so big that it's basically land. So it's like a land of islands. I'm very bad at explaining things. There are a lot of yachts there, and I'm going there to meet Che, who I met in Panama. Both of the boats that we were on sailing back from Panama to Korea were in the same marina. I'm going to help Che paint the bottom of his boat, Zorba. That's the name of his boat. From Seoul to Tongyang. And honestly, I would enjoy it if the scenery was any much better, but yeah, Korean road trips can be kind of boring because what you see are basically things like that, outlets, and yeah, a bit of green, but not really. So I'm just gonna go to sleep a little bit because you know how I ran to get this bus on time. So like this part of my shoulder is hurting me a lot. So I'm gonna rest a little bit. So I'll see you when I get there. What felt like forever, I finally got to Tongyang. I passed by E-Mart, which I always use as a landmark to see how close I am. Che came to pick me up and we went to pick out some materials for him to use. And we called it a day because I arrived a little late. We had dinner and then this is actually day 2. And today I'm about to go and help Che paint his boat. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna watch him sand his boat first and then maybe hopefully today or tomorrow we'll get to paint it. But I'm going to be learning a lot about boat maintenance, so stay in tune for
more of this boat business.